Hi, Jason here, and today I am back with the unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Attitude Pilot Black men's sunglasses. So let's get right into it. I bought this over the holiday season, and for the 2018 holidays, Louis Vuitton has a nice red bow, really special, different than the typical blue. So nice little holiday touch. Sunglasses come in a little pull-out case, as you can see here. And then the typical Louis Vuitton orange box. So I'm going to go ahead and take off this bow. I definitely will be saving this ribbon because it's a little bit different. And let's open up the box. So inside the box, I have another box, which is the sunglasses case. Nice feel to it, nice and sturdy, nice and hard. Louis Vuitton embellished across the top, or embossed, I should say. Nice little magnetic closure, feels nice and sturdy, won't accidentally come open. Again, Louis Vuitton in the top of the box there. Nice padding, and the sunglasses are in this nice little bag. Let's open it up. So the bag is pulled tight. I worry about breaking it, but just needs to loosen up a little bit. There we go. And here they are. So again, these are men's sunglasses, the Louis Vuitton Attraction Pilot Black. And I like these because they were pretty lightweight. I tried on a number of different pairs. A lot of them were very heavy or they sit quite right on my nose. I prefer the ones with the nose pads that just feel a little bit more sturdy and don't slip as much. And I felt that these were very light and they felt very, very good. So if you look really closely at the right lens, at the very top right of that, there's a little Louis Vuitton LV logo kind of embossed on the lens. Silver metal across the bridge, and top of the sunglasses, the bridge, nose pads, a little bit of leather across the top of the lenses, and again at the bottom. Nice feel to it. If I look at the sides and look at the temples, Louis Vuitton on both sides. Nice little silver damier on the side as well. And again, they feel very, very lightweight, yet sturdy. So I'm going to go and put these on. And they sit really nicely. They definitely have a wide range of coverage as well, so I feel that the lens definitely does extend a little bit past the size of my eyes, so I feel like I'm getting good coverage on my eyes as well. And they feel very sturdy, so if I look down, back, kind of tilt my head side to side, they're not really moving at all, which is great. And they're not too dark, so when I have these on, I feel like I could easily drive in them even if it was slightly low light, and I still can see everything pretty clearly. So I definitely feel that this will give me a balance of protection from the sun while still being able to see very, very clearly. So they're definitely not too dark, but not too light at the same time. And if I look to the side. I can barely see a little bit on my peripheral vision that isn't coming through the sunglasses, but that's fairly typical. And it's very, very, very minor. So what I'm going to do is stand up and move a little bit closer to Lucia so she can get a closer view and also get a side view as well. So here's my right side. And obviously the left side is going to be the same, but I'll go ahead and do that anyway. And they definitely feel very nice. And I'm looking forward to using them on our honeymoon to Bora Bora in a couple of months. So if I take these off, definitely they feel really sturdy. The sides open and close really nicely. There's a nice little springiness to them. So bring it back up and put it back down. I might actually use these prior to our honeymoon because I definitely like them so much. They do have a gold color version of this as well. So if gold is more of your thing, not the silver, that definitely comes in that color as well. And in Canada, they retailed for $7.40 before tax as of December 2018. So there's a few other things in the box. So let me come back down and we'll see what else we have inside. There's actually a fairly substantial book to it. If I look through, it's all information about the sunglasses, as you can imagine, in a variety of different languages. So just a little introduction. They've been hand polished. There's a reference number on the frame in case I need to send it in. So I'm reading about the sun protection to see if there's anything that's useful in there. They talk about the different standards. They say that they meet specifications for impact resistance but are not shatterproof. So something to keep in mind. So don't use them as safety glasses, obviously. And then inside, there's another little booklet that talks about the UV protection. So it says the filter category of your lens is indicated inside the temple and marked by an asterisk in the number. There's a corresponding chart on the left-hand side. So what I'm going to do now is take a look and actually just get some more technical information on what level of UV protection is actually provided. Okay, so I did some reading in the booklet and I was able to find the information about the UV resistance and some more technical specifications of the sunglasses. So right inside here on the second page, it mentions that it's category 3 general purpose sunglasses according to the ISO and ANSI standards. So if I go back to this white booklet here, find category 3. There are general purpose sunglasses. Their transmittance percentage is between 8 and 18%. So it filters between 82 and 92% of sunlight. They are very high protection against sun glare. So they're not a specialty sunglass, which has extremely low transmittance, extremely high protection, but they are higher up on the general purpose usage. So as I was mentioning a little bit earlier, when I tried on the sunglasses, it does seem that they do provide pretty good protection and anti-glare. So we'll definitely try them out and report back on real world usage, but it looks like the specifications match up with that initial impression, which is obviously a good thing. So these are the Louis Vuitton men's Attraction Pilote black sunglasses, and I am really looking forward to wearing them. Thank you for watching, and if there's any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. See you next time.